LG unveiled world's first completely wireless OLED TV. LG, a South Korean tech giant, unveiled its wireless M4 OLED TV worldwide on 1st July. The LG M4 OLED boasts a design language identical to the underlying specs of the LG G4 OLED. However, it uses LG's Zero Connect box for wireless connectivity. It's identical to Samsung's wireless iteration on the One Connect box found on select shows like its Neo QLED 8K, the Frame 2024, and Neo QLED 4K options among Samsung's 2024 TV lineup. The LG M4 OLED might steal the limelight from Samsung with its MLA OLED panel built on a chassis that supports 144Hz refresh rate, 120Hz on the 97-inch model. It's available in 4 sizes: 65-inch, 77-inch, 83-inch, and 97-inch models. However, the company hasn't yet provided any details about the US or UK pricing, while disclosing the Euro price begins at €5,000 for the base 65-inch TV. The M4 OLED has launched in major markets globally. LG is taking on Samsung in its wireless display supremacy with the M4 OLED. The new M4 OLED uses the Zero Connect box, which uses multi-path technology to communicate over an uncongested 60Hz wireless band for connections up to a 10-meter range. Previously, LG unveiled a transparent OLED in development, displaying in great detail LG's commitment to innovation when delivering some of the best TVs in the market. However, without the official details about the US pricing, it's hard to determine how well the LG M4 OLED is set to fare in the market. Earlier, the M3 OLED TV was unveiled at a manufacturer's suggested retail price of $4,999 for its 77-inch model, a price that could be from its newly introduced 65-inch configuration for 2024. The Zero Connect box wirelessly connects its standard inputs, primarily HDMI. In contrast, something like the Display's TV is fully wireless, utilizing battery power and a Connect box to achieve zero connections to the display.